can't swallow the light. When your heart grows up, man, hear this truth. A wounded mind still have root. Every sorrow where you hide in a chest turn to stone if you never confess. So me walk slow, wanna know myself. Put pride on the ground, call help and help. Take a breath, now go and rush. One little faith can move the dust. Put down the shame, put down the blame. Inna the fire, spirit saying, heal the mind, heal the mind. One sweet thought at a time. Heal the mind, heal the mind. Jah give peace to the broken line. Heal the mind, heal the mind. Holy for love, soul align. Heal the mind, heal the mind. Let the storm pass, sun will shine. Mankind build cage with unkind words. Lock with spirit, take weed from birds. But me learn wisdom, no born from noise. It grow in silence, humble choice. If you lose road, no shame in turn. Even coal must burn to learn. Every scar is a teacher too. Show you where the next step through. Take a breath, now go and rush. One little faith can move the dust. Put down the shame, put down the blame. Inna the fire, spirit saying, heal the mind, heal the mind. One sweet thought at a time. Heal the mind, heal the mind. Jah give peace to the broken line. Heal the mind, heal the mind. Holy for love, soul align. Heal the mind, heal the mind. Let the storm pass, sun will shine. No chain can hold a healed up soul. No light can bury a righteous goal. From the crack in the heavy ground, new life rise, pure and sound. So if you're tired, come stand near. Leave the poison, leave the fear. We no born for drown in grief. We born for rise and find release. Heal the mind, heal the mind. One sweet thought at a time. Heal the mind, heal the mind. Jah give peace to the broken line. Heal the mind, heal the mind. Holy for love, soul align. Heal the mind, heal the mind. Let the storm pass, sun will shine. Give me no brethren, rise up slow. Beneath the earth still life I go grow. Stone for me heart but me nah stay cold. One good vibe turn iron to gold. Jah plant fire in every soul. Fi make the broken spirit whole. So when the night too heavy, hold your ground. Take one breath, let the fear come down. Every scar got wisdom inside. Every dark road bring a brighter tide. You're healing, you're healing. Rub it out, feel it healing. You're healing, you're healing. Your love never stop revealing. Hold on, hold on. You can't lose if you keep on. Me see the youth them fight for place. Too much pressure, too much race. But the river still carve through stone. and the drum beat call you home. Man a struggle room, man a shine. Plant good seed in a hard time. No need say you're perfect, no. Just walk and let the mercy flow. So when the night too heavy, hold your ground. Take one breath, let the fear come down. Every scar got wisdom inside. Every dark road bring a brighter tide. The healing, rub it out, feel it healing. The healing, your love never stop revealing. Hold on, hold on. You can't lose if you keep on. Let the pain get thin like smoke. Every tear will fall, I hope no. From the ash new prayer rise. See the sun in a somebody's eyes. Oh, steady now. Oh, rise up now. You're healing, rub it out, feel it healing. You're healing, your love never stop revealing. Hold on, hold on. You can't lose if you keep on. You're healing, Babylon pressure can't stop the healing. Zion pathway at the road where me choose. Even when the night cold, me can't lose. Babylon chat, but me nah answer stress. Me hold firm truth and me give thanks less. Now me give thanks more. Every breath, every step, Jah plant the seed. Now the faith get a rep. When the Lord get heavy, me lean pon grace. When the world get crooked, me seek the place. One little light, not the road by chest. Keep me moving forward, never settle for less. Zion pathway, guide me home. Zion pathway, let the righteous roam. Me no walk blind, me walk in a light. Zion pathway, hold me tight. Zion pathway, clean my soul. Zion pathway, make the broken whole. From the valley low to the mountain high. Zion pathway, carry I. Missy Beer man run for gold and show, but the richest fruit in a humble grow. One dry bread, one cup, one honest prayer can feed the spirit and lift the wheel. Them say, take it easy, me say take it true. Every wound teach lesson, every storm bring you. So me talk to the youth, them not give up now. You broke and sweat, but you still can bow. When the road turn rough, me stand my ground. When the pain talk loud, me hear the sounds. Half voice inside, say keep press on. Every step a blessing, every trial a song. Zion pathway, guide me home. Zion pathway, let the righteous roam. Me no walk blind, me walk in a light. Zion pathway, hold me tight. Zion pathway, clean me soul. Zion pathway, make the broken whole. From the valley low to the mountain high. Zion pathway, carry high. Me know say roots grow slow but strong in a youth. So if your heart get weary, hear this word. Jah not sleep, his mercy still stir. Call me from the dust, call me from the fear. Call me, call me. Show me said the promise still there. Still there. Zion pathway, guide me home. Zion pathway, let the righteous roam. Me no walk blind, me walk in the light. Zion pathway, hold me tight. Zion pathway, clean me soul. Zion pathway, make the broken whole. From the valley low to the mountain high. Zion pathway, carry I. Walk good, my brethren. Hold your head high. Zion pathway, now never die. When the road get crooked and the night get long, me hear one small voice say, stand up strong. Inna the dust and the stumble, inna the rain and stone, Spirit guide me footsteps, never walk alone. Them sell bright promise in a paper cup, but truth stay humble like the breadfruit up. Me not chase shadow when the sun still shine. Me follow the light will live inside my mind. So me breathe in peace, breathe out fear. Ancient wisdom sing when me ear get clear. Every hard road have a hidden key, and the calm in a storm set me spirit free. Guide me through the fire, guide me through the storm. Spirit, keep me higher, hold me firm and warm. Guide me through the fire, guide me through the storm. Guide me, hold me firm and warm. If me hand get heavy from the weight of blame, me lay it down soft, call out your name. No crown, no title, no vanity prize, just a clean intention and a clear-eyed wise. Some want run fast and mash up the soul, but a patient heart keep the whole man whole. Me learn from the river how to lose the fight, still reach the sea by trusting the right. So me breathe in peace, breathe out fear. Ancient wisdom sing when me air get clear. Every hard road have a hidden key, and the calm in a storm set me spirit free. Guide me through the fire, guide me through the storm. Spirit, keep me higher, hold me firm and warm. Guide me through the fire, guide me through the storm. Guide me, hold me firm and warm. When me feel like dust in a burning place, and one drop of courage, one touch of grace, let me forgive what me cannot change. Let me grow roots in a holy rain. If me lose my way, bring me back again, not by force but by mercy, friend. From the broken place, make wisdom bloom. Turn me fear to drum still it not shake, not run. Teach me fi cool like the fire in the sun. Boy, every stone got a story to tell. Every dry leaf know when rain a swell. Me pocket light but me spirit heavy. Now man, me draw breath and keep it ready. See it clear, see it true. The road change you, but you still you. When the valley tell you stay down, mountains they rise up now. Mountain reflection, show me the way. Mountain reflection, lead me today, yeah. Steady me up, make me so strong. Mountain reflection, carry me long. A long time me run from me own shadow. Hustle pan hustle till me brain get all about the breeze. Inna the pine tree chat, soon come home star, soon come back. Me whole life on a shaky edge, still me nah beg mercy from the ledge. If the world get rude and the road get rough, me climb higher, say one more puff. See it clear, see it true. The road change you, but you still you. When the valley tell you stay down, mountains they rise up now. Mountain reflection, show me the way. Mountain reflection, lead me today, yeah. Steady me high, make me so strong. Mountain reflection, carry me long. If you lose your name in the crowd, listen to the thunder, humble and loud. Rock no boss, but it never fall. So me stand up straight through the rise and ball. No shortcut road, for the wise man dream. Truth comes slow like a mountain stream. So me plant good seed in a hard ground and wait for the blessings to come around. Show me the way, show me the way. Mountain reflection, lead me today, yeah. Steady me hard, oh, make me so strong, make me so strong. Mountain reflection, carry me long, carry me long. Lift me high. Mountain reflection, touch the sky. Steady me hard, oh, make me so strong, make me so strong. Mountain reflection, carry me long. In the morning, when the chalice get lit, my mind get clear, like the world start fit. Sacred herbs are guide me through the rocky road. Turn every load to wisdom, take off the load. Babylon pressure, one bend in my spine. But the green root teach me how to realign. Every leaf carry a lesson, every scent carry prayer. From the earth to the soul, pure healing there. Rise up, child, not bow to fear. Truth in this smoke, make the vision clear. When the heart feel weak and the night get cold, herbs remind me, say me spirit bold. Sacred herbs up, carry 'cause every drop water the roots have gained. One unclean, one unhole, one eye red, still me find the scope. Me not chase vanity, me not sell me name. Me move with purpose, same fire, same flame. What you plant in the soil, it return to your soul. So choose good seed if you want stay whole. Love the earth, no play no trick. What you give out, that come back quick. Sacred earth stop, carry me home. Sacred herbs stop, make me soul full grown. Easy now, brother, stay firm and true. Sacred herbs stop, I lift me true. Sacred herbs stop, chant it again. Sacred herbs stop, burn down pain. Your light blaze bright through the darkest storm. Sacred herbs stop, sacred herbs stop. When the lane get thin and the road look long, hold on faith and sing your own song. No weak heart can wear the iron crown. Stand like cedar, never bend down. Highly, highly, roots and reason. Highly, highly, wisdom in season. Sacred herbs stop, carry me home. Sacred herbs stop, make me soul full grown. Easy now, brother, stay firm and true. Sacred herbs stop, I lift me true. Sacred herbs stop, chant it again. Sacred herbs stop, burn down pain. Your light blaze bright through the darkest storm. Sacred herbs stop, sacred herbs stop. The sun arise every morning bright, a new day dawn in a pure new light. Babylon them fight us with all them might, but your love overflow, yeah, that feeling right. No man can stop this feeling, this irie blessing. Your love overflow from me head to me toe. Everywhere I go, your love overflow. Them try to dim me fire, Them try to kill me desire, but me spirit get higher and higher. Never tire, never expire. Open your heart, let the rhythm take hold. A story of strength forever untold. More precious than silver, more precious than gold. Jah love, keep us safe from the cold. Jah love, overflow from me head to me toe. Everywhere I go, Jah love overflow. One breath, one law, one iron will. Sun up high and the mango tree sway. Me hear life talk in a humble way. Stone by stone the road get laid. Small little foot can travel far, me say. Water run deep where the old roots sleep. So me plan good thought and me reap what me keep. Sure every burden got a name, and every night turn back to flame. Hold your heart, no take no shame. One clear mind, it call your name. Then it takes and sound, hold me down, hold me down. Then it takes and sound, all day long, all day long. Then it takes and sound, lift me crown. When me lose me way, it bring me homebound. Many takes and sound, get strong, get strong. Many takes and sound, all day long, all day long. Many takes and sound, push me on a small heartbeat, turn to mountain sound. If them chat noise, me nah lean in. False words slip like rain panting. Me keep me lane, me keep me light. One good thought beat a whole bag of fight. Make the young one know life not joke. Every sweet smile got a truth fi spoke. No beg respect, just live clean. Teach the hands how fi build, how fi mean. From yard to hilltop, same deep rule. One calm soul, no easy fool. me turn to mountain sound. Silence, me hear myself better than gold pan any shell. If you fall, rise neat and slow. One with the grace and let it show. Dedication sound, holding on, holding on. Dedication sound, holding on, holding on. Dedication sound, lift me down when me lose me weight, bring me home bound. Dedication sound, gauge strong, gauge strong. Dedication sound, holding on. Meditation sound, push me on, one clean spirit, all life long.
Sun high in the sky, another day dawning, no time to sigh. Gotta find my purpose before me pass by. Jah give us this life, no time to cry. Tranquil roots, them running deep in my soul, guiding me spirit, making me whole. Tranquil roots, them take away me toll. Jah love and wisdom, them in full control. Some man chase riches, some man chase fame, but true happiness ain't part of that game. Look within yourself, calling out your name. Find your own rhythm, ignite your own flame. Tranquil roots, them running deep in my soul, guiding me spirit, making me whole. Tranquil roots, them take away me toll. Your love and wisdom, them in full control. Nobody afraid over little things, my friend. Life is a journey until the very end. Share your good vibes, let your love extend. On these tranquil roots you can always depend. Tranquil roots, them running deep in my soul, guiding me spirit, making me whole. Tranquil roots, them take away me toll. Jah love and wisdom, them in full control.
teach me how to stand up clean. Stone in the pot, still me plant me dream. No bad mind can lock up the open door. Peace in I, and me want it more and more. So me say easy now, breathe out the fire now. No carry grudge by your back, let it drop, let it pop. Peace in I, hold it firm and live it high. Peace in I, one heartbeat, one sky. Peace in I, no more war in the mind. Peace in I, light it up, we all aligned. If you're unclean, then you walk straight to truth. Got weight and it carry you through. Man can boast, but the soul no plain. What you sow today, come back like rain. Missy brethren suffer from pride and fear. Same sunshine, yet some keep the night them near. Give thanks for the little, for the bread, for the friend. Cause every heart tune have a sweet one end. So me say steady now, choose love over cloud now. No more poison in your cup, lift your head, rise up. Peace in I, hold it firm and live it high. Peace in I, one heartbeat, one sky. Peace in I, no more war in the mind. Peace in I, light it up, we all aligned. When the river get wild, step on shore. When the ego talk low, close that door. Me can't buy calm, it must grow inside. So me feed me soul and me let love guide. Peace in I, hold it firm and live it high. Peace in I, one heartbeat, one sky. Peace in I, no more war in the mind. Peace in I, light it up, we all aligned. Me say peace in I, from the gully to the hilltop. Peace in I, let the hatred finally stop. Peace in I.